warning in effect until 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday. What? West winds 35 to 45 miles an hour with gusts up to 75 miles an hour. Where? Northern Sangre de Cristo Mountains, Tella County and the Rampart Range including Pikes Peak, eastern Sawatch Mountains above 11,000 feet, western Chaffee County between 9,000 and 11,000 feet, western Mosquito Range East Chaffee County above 9,000 feet, and northwestern Fremont County above 8,500 feet. When? Until 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Here is the short-term